So we're going to slow down just a moment. We'll carry on with the algebra next week. But we're just going to review what we've learned so far this week by looking at the target maths. The target maths is great because it's practice, 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 practice. If you are in school, you can go and grab one of these books. We're on page 78. I think what we'll probably do is if you work through the green and the pink questions, there's quite a lot there. So if you're finding these ones quite easy, do these ones. Or if you'd rather take your time and do all of those ones, that's fine. And then what we could do is, during the live lesson, is to have a go at these purple ones. I think that'll probably be the best one. So first of all, read that just to get yourself reminded. In the meantime, I need to go and find a whiteboard pen. The numbers, the questions are written out a bit like what you would have seen in earlier years before you started doing algebra. And you would have called them something like reverse operations probably. But essentially, they're exactly the same as the number machine. So if you looked at something plus 4 equals 11, well, all that is saying that here is the plus 4, and then you've got something in there, plus 4, and the outcome was 11. That's all that is. And it's the same with all of them. And now, obviously, we know that in order to go backwards, we just have to do the reverse. So we need to minus 4, which will get us 7. That makes sense, doesn't it? 7 add 4 equals 11. The next one, 15 plus something, again, it's just like our number machine. 15, this time we don't know what's in the middle. It's plus something, and out the other end you get 24. How many do you need to add to 24 to get to 15? Well, if you took 15 away, if you did 24 take away 15, you'd end up with 9. So you know that the function is add 9. When they get a bit more complicated, it still works exactly the same way. So let's have a look at some of these multiplying ones. You've got 45 multiplied by something equals 90. What do you need to multiply 45 by to get to 90? Well, work backwards. 90 divided by what equals 45? It's 2. 45 times 2 equals 90. If you do 90 divided by 45, you get 2. Same with this one. Something, I'm doing this question here, number 14. Something divided by 3 equals 12. So I just need to go backwards again to get to the beginning. When I'm going backwards, instead of dividing by 3, I'm going to times by 3. And 12 times 3 is 36. If you're doing it a slightly different way, then that's absolutely fine. Just remember these multiplied ones, you're just going backwards to 24 divided by 3, 2 divided by a half, 1.7 divided by 10. These ones are exactly the same style questions, they're just a little bit more complicated. You'll notice on these ones that the denominators are the same. On these ones, they are sometimes different. Oh, they're the same there. I saw some different ones, I think. Ah, here we go. They're sometimes different, so you've just got to change them first. These ones is when we start using algebraic terms like x, p, and stuff like that. You can have a go at them if you like, but if you'd rather wait, we're going to go through them as a class at 12 o'clock. Alrighty.